When I made the video of the ceiling fans at my grandmother's house, there was a lot going on here. And I'm still not going to cover the ones in the living room because my grandma gets cold. Watch the fan video of the ceiling fans at my grandma's house because it shows all of them. And if you watch that, you'll see that I didn't show one in the bedroom, or the fan in one of the two bedrooms. And that is this one. I didn't show it in the video, but for a second, I didn't even turn the light on because there was someone sleeping. But, which is my aunt. But anyway, I'm still not going to demonstrate the living room ones. I just showed them for a minute or so in the state that they were in. But now there's no one in here, so I can demonstrate the Walmart ceiling fan in the front bedroom. Also, make sure you check out the video. There's a lot of fans here. There's 9 total, 3 outside, 6 inside. So, but this fan's just great. I bought it in September 2018. And it's January of 21, so you be the judge. It's a chapter. And you can see it's got a lot of use on it. It's very dusty. I'll just show you the dust buildup on it real quick since it is pretty dusty. Not as dusty as some of the ones I've seen. Here's the glass, by the way. Pretty generic. Not as dusty as some of the ones I've seen, but... I would stop it, but I don't even want to touch it. I'll let it come to a stop. People talk about Texas dust. There you go. And make sure you check out the ceiling fans at my grandmother's house video. Hope you enjoyed the video and check that out, and see you next time.